In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate email hosting in Zoho Mail. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
To begin with, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate over to Zoho Mail's website. You can reach this page by typing in www.zoho.com/mail/Zoho Mail pricing mail. This is the official Zoho Mail pricing page, where you'll begin your journey into setting up email hosting. As the site loads up, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various plans and services that Zoho offers. This is crucial because selecting the right plan is a key step. Now, on to the next part. Once you're on the pricing page, it's time to choose a plan that best suits your needs. Zoho offers multiple plans, each tailored to meet different levels of usage, whether for personal, small business, or larger corporate needs. Carefully review the options, paying close attention to the features and limitations of each plan. When you've decided which plan fits your requirements, it's time to select it. After you've made your selection, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. Next, we're going to focus on setting up your domain. Locate and click on the Domain tab. If you're not familiar with technical jargon, don't worry. A domain is essentially your website's address, or in this case, the address for your email hosting. This step is where you'll associate your domain with Zoho Mail to start sending and receiving emails. Once you've clicked on the Domain tab, you will need to add your domain details. Look for the option that says Add and click on it. This is where you will input your domain name. If you're unsure about your domain name or how to find it, it's this part that links your custom email address to your own domain, like your name at yourbusiness.com. This step will prompt you to enter your domain name and follow any additional instructions to verify ownership. Throughout this setup, always double check your entries for accuracy. An incorrect domain name can hinder the connectivity between your custom email and Zoho Mail. And there you have it. You've successfully activated email hosting with Zoho Mail. This flexible platform gives you the reliability and professionalism of a customized email address, all while being simple and cost effective. If at any point you encounter issues or have questions, don't hesitate to consult Zoho's help center or reach out to their support team for assistance. Enjoy your newly activated email hosting service and make the most out of what Zoho Mail has to offer.